Do you want to showcase your product in model's hand without doing a Photoshop? Just like what you are seeing on the screen? Not it's all. You also want to turn that image into high quality professional product video just like this. Then today I'll show you a one AI tool that does everything for you. Let's see how you can do it. First, go to the tools website. The name of tool is Sellerpic. You can find the tools link in the description. Click on it and log in using your Google account. You can see 20 free credits. There are so many good features available with Sellerpic, and I have created multiple videos on different features. If you want to see, go and check out those videos. Link you can find in the description. This time we want to create a product in hand model. So for that we need to click on product in hand. You will see that by default a model image appears at the center. If you want to change the model, you can go and do that from the right hand side. There are many models available here. You can choose a model based on your product. You can select category, gender and region from here too. If you want, you can even add your own custom model image. I'm selecting a ready-made model. I like this model for my product, so I'll click on it and it will automatically appear in the center. Now we have to upload our product. Click on replace product image and upload your product image. The background of your product will be removed automatically. Now we need to adjust our product on the model's hand. To resize or reposition the product, click on model on the right side. Here you will get tools like brush, lasso, eraser, etc. You can also adjust the tool size here, and you can even auto select the product area. I'm skipping that part now. So we have placed the product correctly. Now on the right side, click on generate. This will cost 2 credits. In few minutes, your product in hand model image will be ready. Here is the final result. To download the image, just click on image and download it from there. Now we'll convert this image into video. Let's see how to do it. Click on create video. You will see two options, image to video and lip sync. We will use the image to video option. So let's click on image to video. On the right side in this box, you have to enter your image to video prompt. I have already written mine, so I'll just paste it here. If you want to generate background music, you can enter the audio prompt as well. Next, under video settings, select the render type and then select the preset type. You will get two options, model video or product video. Select based on your product. Then select stable style and description. After selecting everything, click on generate, and in few minutes your image to video will be ready. Here is the final result. Looks good, right?
Yes.
So if you like my video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe my channel and share these videos with your e-commerce friends. See you in the next one.